Discover the world in stunning detail with the perfect optics. The best budget spotting scope brings clarity and precision without breaking the bank. Whether birdwatching, hiking, or hunting, enjoy crisp views on every adventure effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Gosky Budget Spotting Scope. The Gosky Budget Spotting Scope is a remarkable choice for nature enthusiasts seeking quality optics at an affordable price. With a powerful 20-60x magnification, this scope ensures that every detail of wildlife, birds, or distant landscapes is brought into sharp focus. Its wide field of view, ranging from 101 to 48 feet per 1,000 yards, allows users to capture expansive scenes without missing any moment of the action. The 85mm objective lens paired with BAK4 prisms and FMC coatings guarantees bright, crisp images with accurate color reproduction, even in low-light conditions during early morning or late evening excursions. The included adjustable full-size tripod is sturdy and versatile, extending from 13.3 inches to 63 inches to accommodate ground-level observation as well as elevated panoramic views. A built-in bubble level ensures precision and stability, making it easy to maintain a clear, steady image. The scope is weatherproof and durable, capable of handling rain, dust, and rough terrain without compromising performance. Its easy-to-clean exterior adds to the convenience, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Additional accessories, such as a carrying bag, phone adapter, and cleaning kit, enhance portability and usability, allowing users to capture stunning photos and maintain the scope effortlessly. For birdwatchers, hikers, hunters, or anyone looking to explore the outdoors, the Gosky Budget Spotting Scope combines excellent optical performance, durability, and convenience, making it a highly recommended option for those seeking an affordable yet reliable spotting scope. Number 2. Koolpte Budget Spotting Scope. The Koolpte Budget Spotting Scope delivers an impressive combination of power, clarity, and portability for a budget-friendly price. Its 25-75x zoom magnification paired with an 85mm objective lens provides crystal clear, high-resolution images, even under challenging low-light conditions. This makes it perfect for long-range birdwatching, wildlife observation, or even stargazing. The scope's fully multi-coated lenses and extra-low dispersion (ED) glass minimize chromatic aberration, ensuring accurate color representation and sharpness across the entire zoom range. Durability is another highlight, with a nitrogen-purged, waterproof, and fog-proof design that withstands rugged outdoor conditions, while the textured emerald green rubber armor provides a secure, non-slip grip and added shock resistance. The included kit enhances usability right out of the box. A universal smartphone adapter allows users to capture and share incredible images directly from the scope, while the adjustable aluminum tripod offers stable support during long observation sessions. A heavy-duty waterproof carrying case ensures safe and convenient transport. The lightweight design, angled eyepiece, and compact tripod make it highly portable for hiking, camping, or outdoor excursions. Protective lens covers and a cleaning cloth add to the long-term maintenance, while a generous 3-year warranty provides peace of mind. Overall, the Koolpte Budget Spotting Scope offers outstanding optical performance, durability, and convenience at a budget-friendly price. Its versatility, ease of use, and comprehensive accessories make it ideal for both beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts looking to explore nature with clarity and comfort. Number 3. SVBONY Budget Spotting Scope. The SVBONY Budget Spotting Scope stands out as a versatile and affordable tool for both amateur and experienced observers. Its 25-75x zoom capability allows for detailed viewing of distant targets, making it perfect for birdwatching, wildlife observation, and target shooting. One of the key features of this scope is its upgraded tabletop SV146 tripod, crafted from aluminum alloy with thicker legs and rubber pads for improved stability and durability. This design ensures the scope remains secure on various surfaces, while still being lightweight and easy to carry during outdoor adventures. The upgraded SV218 mobile phone adapter is compatible with a wide range of mobile phones, including single, dual, and triple lens devices, making it convenient for capturing and sharing high-quality images directly from the scope. Users will also appreciate the large focus knob on the tripod, which allows for quick and precise adjustments, providing a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience. The foldable eye cup accommodates both eyeglass and non-eyeglass users, ensuring comfort during extended observation sessions. Additionally, the scope features a standard threaded interface, making it compatible with various tripods and accessories, enhancing its adaptability for indoor and outdoor use. The combination of powerful zoom, practical design, and portable tripod makes the SVBONY budget spotting scope an excellent choice for hobbyists seeking a high-quality, cost-effective optical solution. Its ease of use, durable construction, and foam compatibility ensure that it meets the needs of modern observers who value both clarity and convenience in a budget-friendly package. Number 4. OPTIVORA Budget Spotting Scope. The OPTIVORA Budget Spotting Scope is a high-performance yet affordable option for beginners and casual observers alike. It features an impressive 20-80x adjustable magnification, allowing users to view animals, landscapes, or target shooting scenes at varying distances with ease. The 90mm oversized objective lens, combined with a high-quality BK4 prism and multi-coated green film, delivers bright, clear, and highly detailed images, even in low-light environments. A light shield effectively prevents stray light from entering the lens, enhancing image clarity and optical performance while protecting the lens from dust, wind, and accidental contact. This spotting scope is designed for outdoor durability with a stainless steel elevatable tripod that adjusts to the user's preferred height, providing stable support across various terrains. Additionally, the included phone adapter allows seamless integration with smartphones, enabling users to capture and record distant objects with clarity. The OPTIVORA scope is simple to operate, making it an ideal choice for beginners seeking a user-friendly telescope that delivers professional quality results. The combination of rugged design, versatile magnification, and convenient accessories makes it perfect for birdwatching, hunting, wildlife observation, and outdoor adventures. OPTIVORA also emphasizes customer satisfaction, offering responsive after-sales support to address any concerns. Overall, this budget spotting scope provides a balance of quality, durability, and affordability, allowing users to enjoy detailed and immersive outdoor viewing experiences without straining their budget. Its clarity, adjustable features, and portability make it a reliable companion for any nature enthusiast or hobbyist looking to explore the outdoors with confidence. Number 5. WOZEL Budget Spotting Scope. The WOZEL Budget Spotting Scope is designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking exceptional clarity and versatility without a high price tag. Its 100mm extra-large objective lens, fully multi-coated with green film, provides a wide field of view ranging from 85.5 to 45.6 feet per 1,000 yards, allowing users to observe wildlife, landscapes, or distant targets with remarkable detail. Equipped with quality BK4 Poro prism optics, this scope enhances light transmission, resulting in bright, crisp images with high contrast and minimal distortion. Its 25x, 75x variable zoom magnification and 45-degree angled eyepiece make extended viewing comfortable and ergonomic, ideal for birdwatching, hunting, target shooting, stargazing, hiking, or camping. The scope's rugged construction includes nitrogen purging and O-ring sealing, making it waterproof, fog-proof, and weatherproof, ensuring reliable performance in challenging outdoor environments. The extendable eyepiece shield further protects the optics from dust and glare. WOZEL also provides lifetime customer service, reflecting confidence in the durability and quality of their product. Whether for professional or recreational use, this spotting scope excels in offering clear, vivid imagery with reliable performance. Its versatile applications, sturdy design, and excellent optical features make it an outstanding budget-friendly choice for anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors with detailed, immersive viewing experiences. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.